Hi, my name is Bob Hewland, and in this tutorial we will talk about how you can make your own Mathematica package. Send any questions to hewlandbob@gmail.com. This tutorial is divided into 6 parts. In the first part, the one you're looking at now, we will discuss what a Mathematica package is and what benefits you can gain by using packages. In part 2, we will show how you can import and use an existing add-on package. In part 3, we will discuss where to store your own packages. In part 4, we will introduce a template package that you can use as a starting point in order to make your own package. In part 5, we will follow a step-by-step guide to make our own package using the template we introduced in the previous part. Finally, in part 6, we will make a summary and point out where you can find packages to study in order to make your own packages powerful. I am running this tutorial on a Macintosh, but it should work on Windows and Unix also, although some small tweaks might be needed. If you run into any problems, please make a comment. So, what is a package and why should you care? A package is a library of functions and data that you can import and use as if it were built-in part of Mathematica. The gain is that you can have clutter-free sessions and also reap the benefits of reuse. The idea behind the packages is that you can extend Mathematica with your own functions and data, so that they behave the same way as Mathematica's own. Make no mistake, professional Mathematica users don't keep a ton of notebooks they have written. Instead, they collect their functions inside packages, ready to be used the next time they need them. Before we continue, let's say some words about libraries in general. Most programming language environments use the idea of libraries to extend the functionality of the programming language itself. The libraries sit on top of some core and can use its functionality. The core could be the operating system or some other construct that sits on top of the operating systems or on the hardware itself. For our discussion here, this does not matter. The libraries often come in 3 flavors. System libraries are always present, and the application can rely on their presence. Then there are add-on libraries that can be imported. Internal add-on libraries are usually present on the computer and can be immediately imported and used. On the other hand, external add-on libraries must be downloaded from the internet or written by the user himself. Then they must be installed and imported so that they can be used by the application. Different programming language environments use different names for the libraries. Procedure-oriented languages like C use the word library, and each library consists of a collection of functions. Object-oriented programming languages don't use the word library. Instead, they use the word framework. A framework is a collection of classes. Mathematica doesn't use the word library nor the word framework. Instead, it uses the word package. But the idea is the same. Also, Mathematica doesn't use the word application. Instead, it uses the word Mathematica session. In the next part of this tutorial, we will look at an example of how to use and install a package. We will look at quaternions, which is an internal add-on package in Mathematica.